Hello students, as most of you were requesting for G20 notes, here I am with the G20 notes, and do remember it's not sure that will come from this as it is mentioned in the syllabus in the objectives. I am going to give just a brief of it. Have a look at this. The G20 or a group of 20 is an international forum comprised of the world's 20 major economies, including India. It plays a significant role in global governance and decision-making processes, particularly in addressing economic and financial issues. India's role in the G20 is of great significance, especially considering its increasing economic and geopolitical importance in recent years. The G20 comprises 19 countries and European Union, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, Japan, Saudi Arabia, UK, USA, etc. are other members. So what are the objectives? Economic influence. India's presence in the G20 ensures that its economic interests and perspectives are represented in global discussions and policy formulations. So global leadership. As a members of the G20, India gains a platform for demonstrating its global leadership aspirations. It provides India with an opportunity to engage with the other major powers and showcase its diplomatic skills. Development priorities. India's participation in the G20 enables it to address key developmental changes within the country. Trade and investment. The G20 facilitates discussions on international trade and investment policies. It can negotiate market access for its products and addresses great barriers through multilateral discussions within the G20 framework. Climate change and energy. The G20 provides a platform for addressing global challenges related to climate change and energy transition. Overall, India's role in the G20 is significant for its economic interest, global leadership aspirations, developmental priorities, trade and investment, and addressing climate change challenges. Effective engagement within this forum can help India shape global policies and promote its interests while contributing to the collective efforts of the G20 towards global economic stability and sustainable development. So if at all question comes, what might be expected? Most probably one or two maximum. I don't think so about that the questions will come. First of all, it is not sure. So just for your knowledge purpose, examine the significance of role of G20 and its significance in the light of India's present role. What do you mean by G20 and when was it held in India and what its aim? What is G20? Write any two member countries other than India. What is the significance of G20 in the light of India's present role? Write any two aims and significance of G20. What are the three major goals of G20? Write a brief note on G20. India plays a significant role in global governance and decision-making process of G20. Explain. India's participation in the G20 enables it to address key development challenges within the country. Explain. What is the major role of India in G20? Explain. Only this much, children. Don't worry about it. Once you read out through, that's enough.